So this is how to buy Shiba Inu crypto here in Canada using Robinhood. So once you guys open up Robinhood at the bottom in the middle, press the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start typing in Shiba Inu or ticker symbol SHIB, and then go ahead and select it. And then at the bottom where it says buy, press that. Once you're on the buy page, you can go to the top right to where it says market order, and you can select, market order in Canadian dollars or market order in Shiba Inu. I will just go ahead and do it in Canadian dollars. Now, once you're here, type in the amount of Shiba Inu crypto you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $2 worth, you would type in 2 for an example, and then press on review. Then on this page, you can review the order, so you can check out the amounts that you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Shiba Inu crypto here in Canada using Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.